I did a video review of this steamer, and then after a while I was using it. It was out of warranty, and it didn't produce any steam. You could hear stuff, but it did not produce steam. So I thought, well, let me take it apart. It didn't work. If I can't fix it, no big deal, I'd throw it out. But I was able to get it fixed. So at that point, after it was apart and I fixed it, I decided to do a video, not really thinking many people would have a problem. But I thought, you know, if it would help somebody, it was very simple. So I showed how I fixed it and then the reverse order of putting it together. Well, to my surprise, there were other people having the same issue. And so I thought maybe I should question them and find out, is this a known issue? And, you know, because so many people were having the same thing that I had. So that's what I did. I contacted Rowenta. Now, because of the COVID virus that's going on, they didn't have phone customer service. You had to do it on their online portal through their website. And so that's what I did. So I'm going to show you now what the customer service provided me as to this issue. So initially, I went up online and just asked them a simple question. I didn't take a screenshot or copy anything because I thought, well, it was just a simple question. And I pretty much had a link to my video and said that, you know, people were having this issue and was just wondering how common it was and just what the deal was. And like I said, I provided the link to my YouTube video of me showing the repair. I just wanted to see what their thought was about that. Now here's the first response that I got, September 16th of 2020. Now it says, "Dear Mr. or Mrs." So they don't even know whether I'm a male or female, as if a robot put this out. Didn't even have the common sense to be able to note that, you know, whether it was a male or female name. "Thank you for your email via," and then it has the website. "Please send me a copy of your receipt. I will send the unit to the service center for repairs. Sincerely, Diego, Rowenta, customer service." Now, no disrespect, but I wonder what country this was sent to, because it says, "Please send me a copy of your receipt. I will send the unit to the service center for repairs." First off, what does he mean by "I will"? I mean, it has to be, I would be the one that would have to send it in. This doesn't sound like it was customer service from the United States. Again, that's just the way I'm, you know how sometimes you'll get responses. They couldn't tell me male or female and addressed me as even my name, which I had my name in there. So they knew my name. And so I thought, well, this is very strange. Okay, because it was out of warranty. I didn't state that it was out of warranty. I let them know that I fixed it and that I just wanted to know what their opinion was, why so many people were having this issue. So then, on September 17th, 2020, I sent to them, I said, "Diego, did you see my YouTube video that I included with my question? If you did and understood my question, you wouldn't be asking me that question. After seeing the entire video here, I want to know why others are having this problem too." And there's a link to the video again. "Is this an issue with the steamer? As you can see, I took care of the problem. Someone isn't paying attention. Please address all 5 points above. Thanks." And there it is. And here's their answer to that. On 9/21/2020, "Dear, again," and in my first one I had my name. In the second one I didn't put my name because I wanted to see how they were going to address it. So again, "Dear Mr. or Mrs.," because that's how they have it, Mr. or the S. "Thank you for your email via," okay, which it wasn't done through that at that point. It was done through the their contact us at Okay, because once I made my initial contact and they send you an email, then you reply to the email they sent you. The answer to your question is we do not have technical support here. The unit would have to be evaluated at a service center. The warranty is for 1 year from date of purchase. Sincerely, this guy, it's a Rick, Rowenta Customer Service. So at that point, I just said the heck with it. I was not going to send another one. They obviously didn't understand. They didn't address whether there was an ongoing problem. I told them that it was fixed, that I took care of the problem. The video, had they looked at it, would have stated that. So, anyways, like I said, I wasn't going to try for another time. I just wrote that off and figured that I'll use this till it no longer works, and I would never buy another Rowenta product, because customer service is very important. And if this is the kind of customer service that you're going to get, then I'm not sure. I just wouldn't deal with a company like that. But I just wanted to have this video to let other people see that are having this problem. They're on their own. But if you can fix it and you're handy, and you go back to the video, which I will have a link of, it's not that hard to fix.